Hey guys, welcome to Fresh Cooking. Today I want to share with you one of my delicious, healthy smoothies. Without further ado, let's get cooking. So to get started, we need a blender. Add water. You can use water or ice if you prefer. Frozen bananas, frozen strawberries, frozen blueberries, frozen broccoli, some turmeric and ginger, some flaxseed and chia seeds, some yogurt. I'm using almond yogurt, but you can use coconut or Greek yogurt if you prefer. Some avocados, some spinach, chard and kale. Put it all in. Some pilted dates. I will not add it to mine because I don't like mine very sweet, but you're more than welcome to add it to yours if you wish. Then we blend, shake and blend again. Shake and ready to serve. This is the end result of our smoothie. It's full of nutrients, vitamins and minerals. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you enjoy my delicious, healthy smoothie. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.